Disciplinary cases, passing of final orders. Part 1. After getting the enquiry officer's report, the disciplinary authority has to study in depth all records relating to the case, such as charge memo, served copy of charge memo, explanation of the charged person, the questionnaire form, enquiry officer's appointment orders, records for evidences which formed the basis for the charges, the enquiry proceedings, depositions of witnesses of prosecution and defense side, final statement of defense by the accused, enquiry officer's findings, etc. The disciplinary authority has to give a personal hearing to the accused if it was not given earlier at any stage. The report of personal hearing given to the accused has to be considered before passing final orders. The disciplinary authority has to ensure whether the accused was given enough opportunity to defend his case during oral inquiry and a certificate was given by him to that effect, whether a final statement of defense was given by him, whether the accused was satisfied with the inquiry proceedings, whether all formalities relating to oral inquiry were followed, whether the provisions of evidence acts were followed, whether the basis found by the inquiry officer was agreeable to the disciplinary authority, and if it was not agreeable, he has to record as to why, and if he found all or any of the charges proved, then he has to avoid punishment, and if he has no powers to avoid punishment orders, he has to refer the case to the punishing authority.